about that. My mom was just doing something. Hops out of car. Wait, is that the new girl? Are you in here? Tell me when you find the most wins. Hey, crown girl. What do you want? Take this hat. Are you sure you want to take that? Man, we're gonna go trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treating. Why? Put that picture. That's cool. Could do that. It's not a winter here. It's only cold. I think that's how you guessed. Paul, get to it. What's your problem? Snuggles won't rule. Oh, who is that? Who is that? I'll show you alone. Why are you so nice all the time? Oh, I sleep with you. Oh, okay. Snowfoo. That's your cat? Yeah, that's my cat. I'm so sorry about him. Oh, that's okay. That's just... Oh, you like killing people. Yeah, kind of. We have another one that likes killing people. Yes! What? Oh, none of you beasties. Okay. So, okay. Put that in, put that in, put that in, that and that. That. It's okay, rip away. Why do you guys ever do that? That is such a weirdness. Oh, this might have the chest, but I'm evil, so no. Take a bath, please. I'm going to. Ew. I'll go get his bed after. Yeah, go get his bed. He hates sleeping. Mate. Okay. Oh, stop. I gotta change. Okay. Wait, this was the same as that picture that lady was talking. Oh, it looks like you're examining it. Thank you. What? What do you think? Mom, you're gonna kick me out of this house or something? Give me this. Man, go trade with that searcher over there. She has such a pretty flashlight. It's not a pretty flashlight. Whoa, you have to mark the limited edition flashlight? Don't say it's trick-or-treat, would you? Be trick-or-treat. There's trick-or-treaters out there. I love you.
Love you.
Hiccups. Okay. Oh my God! It's the ugly clown lady. I'm a clown. Look, the clown lady is talking.